Now the sixth foundation of your miracle brand is what I call your signature work. Now this is a massive area, so I'm just going to distill it for you. In essence, I think one of the biggest problems that I see many people have, and I've suffered from it too myself at times, which is people don't know what to hire us for. You know, I know it sounds so simple, but they may like us, they may get us, they may think we're wonderful, but what would they actually pay out money for us to do for them? And we need to get really clear about what we want to be hired for. And for many of us this is a real big shift, because we're so used to that kind of often employment mentality, which is, well, what could I be hired for? You know, what if I showed up and did this? Would people find it attractive and want to hire me to do it? But so often I find that the thing we could be hired for is not really the thing that we would truly love to be doing. So your signature work is about really identifying what you at your best look and feel like, and then packaging that and delivering it out into the world in ways that people go, wow, this sounds fantastic, this looks like just what I need, this sounds like it's really going to help, you know, either solve my problems or help me meet my aspirations or help me move forward. So your signature work is the best of you packaged, distilled and delivered to the world in a way that the world goes, wow, you know, yes please, and will, you know, intentionally pay you money for and happily pay you money for. So, you know, in my experience, signature work comes in time. We don't always know at the beginning of our journey what our signature work is going to be, and we can have a suite of signature works if you like. It's not always just one thing. When I started off many years ago, my signature work was the work we were born to do. I started that off probably 15, 16 years ago, and it was talks and workshops, and then it became a book. And that was my major signature work. And today, you know, in 2013, I have 4 or 5 signature works. And I split those up into parts of my signature work I give away in order to build my community and create resonance with people. And some of my signature work I'm paid to deliver to people. So it's such a big and broad and exciting area, this area of signature work, but for many people it doesn't even kind of dawn on them, so this is why it's so important that you get this, that there is something or a series of things that you will do brilliantly that people will happily pay you for. I had a conversation with a good friend of mine a few months ago who said something to me which is quite telling. He said, you know, you're right, you know, he said, I've just figured it out. If I don't tell people what to hire me for, I'm always going to be hired for what they want me to do, not what I really want to be doing. So this is at the heart of, you know, the 6th foundation of your miracle brand. Figure out what you're brilliant at that really serves people that you want to be hired for.